name is Julisa. I will be reading Drum Dream Girl, How One Girl's Courage Changed Music. Poem by Margarita Engle. Illustrations by Rafael Lopez. On an island of music in a city of drumbeats, the Drum Dream Girl dreamed of pounding tall conga drums, tapping small bongo drums, and boom boom booming with long loud sticks on big round silvery moon bright timbales. But everyone on the island of music in the city of drumbeats believed that only boys should play drums. Why do you think that girls weren't allowed to play drums? Why don't we keep reading and see what happens? So the Drum Dream Girl had to keep dreaming quiet, secret, drumbeat dreams. At outdoor cafes that looked like gardens, she heard drums played by men, but when she closed her eyes, she could also hear her own imaginary music. When she walked under wind-wavy palm trees in a flower-bright park, she heard the whir of parrot wings, the clack of woodpecker beaks, the dancing tap of her own footsteps, and the comforting pat of her own heartbeat. At carnivals, she listened to the rattling beat of towering dancers on stilts, and the dragging clang of costumed drummers wearing huge masks. At home, her fingertips rolled out their own dreamy drum rhythm on tables and chairs. And even though everyone kept reminding her that girls on the island of music had never played drums, the brave Drum Dream Girl dared to play tall conga drums, small bongo drum, and big, round, silvery, moon-bright timbales. Her hands seemed to fly as they rippled, rapped, and pounded all the rhythms of her drum dreams. Her big sisters were so excited that they invited her to join their new all-girl dance band. But their father said only boys should play drums. Do you think he might change his mind? Let's keep reading and find out. So the Drum Dream Girl had to keep dreaming and drumming alone, until finally her father offered to find a music teacher who could decide if her drums deserved to be heard. The Drum Dream Girl's teacher was amazed. The girl knew so much, but he taught her more and more and more. And she practiced and she practiced and she practiced, until the teacher agreed that she was ready to play her small bongo drums outdoors at a starlit cafe that looked like a garden, where everyone who heard her dream-bright music sang and danced and decided that girls should always be allowed to play drums, and both girls and boys should feel free to dream. The end. Thanks for reading along with me. Have a musical day.